Let's walk through how to run a promo and an email drip campaign with email marketing in Sprout Studio. You probably already know, and if you don't, well, now is a good time to learn that Sprout Studio can do your email marketing for you, and it's really robust and really full featured. We have a whole other video that walks you through exactly how to do that. If you haven't watched that video, I definitely encourage you to do that. But today in this video, we're actually going to shortcut and fast track all of that work and make it so that all you have to do to run these 2 new promos for this time of the year, for Mother's Day and for the launch of the Freedom Print Lab, is copy the template that we've already built for you and press send. So let's walk through how to do that right now. The first thing I'm going to do is open up the email marketing section here and then open email campaigns. Up over here, when you click add new, this is of course where you could add your own single bulk email or an email drip campaign, but we're instead going to click the add from library button. In the template library, you can see obviously all the templates down here, but we do have some bundles up top here. The first one here is the Freedom Print Lab email template for announcing this promotion to your clients to say, hey, we are now offering these products. Let's go ahead and run a sale for that. So that's the first one. And the other one is over here in the Mother's Day email. So if I click that, there are 4 different Mother's Day email here, each with separate emails within them. We're going to use this one for the purposes of this example. I've already purchased it, or I've already downloaded it on this account. So I'm going to show you how you can run through this yourself with a new one that I haven't downloaded, which is this one. So all you have to do is click add to cart. Now don't worry, these are free, so there's nothing to actually purchase here. And then once you've done that, you click the download button right here and it will download it into your account. I'm going to go over here and just re-download the one that I've already downloaded right here for the Mother's Day promotion here. Now, before we go and configure this and start running it and press the send button, there's a couple recommendations that we have for you to make sure you have set up. I'm just going to close this for now, and I'm going to go into setup and then under price list. First of all, you're going to want to make sure that you have your price list all set up the way that you want. This is one that I've quickly just set up here for this account. I do have it set up and configured for Freedom Print Lab. Definitely encourage you to do that if you want to have the auto fulfillment for all these sales that you're going to be making from this email marketing campaign. So I've got Freedom Print Lab here, and I've got a couple of the Freedom Print Lab products here as well, the photographic prints, the canvas gallery wraps, and the framed photographic prints. So make sure that you have that all set up and that you're happy with the configuration of that. The second thing to take a look at is to make sure that you have your shop set up. And if you haven't already configured that, come over here and click add a shop and make sure that enable shop is set up here and make sure that the shop is looking nice for how you want to have it set up here. That is the second thing. The third thing, I'm going to go ahead and close this, is that you're going to want to create a coupon code for this promotion for your clients to use. So I'm going to go back over here into Sprout and I'm going to click into CRM and then credits and coupons here. Now I'm going to click add coupon right here and I'm going to call this Mother's Day promo. And I'm going to give the coupon code for mom, all one word. And I'm going to make this, I'm going to say I'm going to have this promotion be 25% off. There are no usage limits. This means I don't have to limit it to a certain number of redemptions. I'm going to have it expire on the end of May. I'm not going to attach it to a specific lead or shoot. I'm going to leave the description here, but of course you can use that if you want to. And I'm going to just copy this here for mom, and I'm going to click the create button. And the reason I'm copying it, there's a very specific reason that I'll show you in just a moment. So now let's go back into that email marketing, email campaign section, and those templates that you would have downloaded, the ones that I re-downloaded, are now going to be showing up here. So there's 4 different campaigns that you can be running here. They all have a different purpose. You can kind of read those there. I'm going to open up this one right here, which is for expired gallery guests. And actually, I lied. I'm going to go back over here and do it for expired gallery clients. And over here under build email, you can see it's already set up for expired galleries. It's going to make them live again for 14 more days. What you might want to do now is click override price list and then choose a price list right here that you want to be using so that all these galleries will apply this price list automatically. So if that's where you'll want to choose that here. Email list here, I have mine showing 0 recipients because this account doesn't have any galleries that meet this filtering criteria, but hopefully yours will. And then if I go down here into email messages, you can see the 3 different emails that are going out immediately, 4 days later, 3 days later. What you're going to want to do is click edit on this and then click the edit button right here. This is the email that we've already designed for you. So of course you're welcome to tweak it and adjust the colors and the copy, whatever that makes sense for you. But the most important thing that you're going to want to do is to add the coupon code. So if I click right here and then under heading, you can see here it says discount value right here. I want to just replace that obviously with whatever my discount is, which was 25% off. And then if I go into button right here where it says use code, I just want to again replace that code with that for mom. So just that way the client sees that that's the code they need to use. So that's all that you have to do is to go in here and then click here, go into heading, replace discount value with 25% off. I'm going to say here, I'm going to paste that code again. And then my expiry date was May 30th. And then last one is this one down here. I'm going to go into the button, going to say use code there, and that's it. So that's all that I have to do to basically make, of course, you're welcome to upload your own images. If you click here and then click image, you can upload your own image there. So don't feel like you have to use our images, but you can use whatever you like to use there. You can tweak and adjust this as you see fit and then press save. And then press save and just make sure you do that on the 1st, the 2nd, and the 3rd. And once you've done that, all you have to do is publish this, make it live, and this email campaign will now run for your clients to the list that was specified up here, and you can be making some sales from your galleries, republishing them, and making them live for them. So that is how you can run a promo with our pre-built promos all set up for you for Mother's Day and for the launch of Freedom Print Lab. Enjoy.